So one of the principles that I love to talk about and how we think about creating food that feeds our family well is the concept of when I'm in trouble, when I don't know what to do, when I'm in a hard time, when I'm challenged, when I'm stressed out, I got to send out this lifeline for nutrition, right? So we call that your SOS plan for healthier eating. And so S stands for things like soups and stews, which can include chilies. Then you have something in the middle like an omelet, where we'd use eggs because you could throw so many good things into an omelet or eggs and just bury good nutrition in this food that you love to eat. And the last S would stand for shakes and smoothies and healthy drinks. So for instance, when we talk about soups and stews, you can come around. I got my wife right here. We're making chicken noodle soup tonight for real. This is not a prop. So inside the chicken noodle soup, we've just got all these veggies, and we've got these one ingredient foods with celery and carrots and onion, and you can put spinach or kale, and we've got chicken in there, and we've got the broth inside of it. So if I tried to put all these things on the table and argue with my daughters why that's healthy and why that's good for you, and we could just go back and forth. Yeah, you're right ahead, hon. We can go back and forth, and I know my mom is going to keep an eye on this, and she's going to be in more videos with us. So hang tight. You'll see her again. She's sheltered in place with us for the last 6 weeks. So she's just going to keep on. I think it's time for the pasta. So the point of it is when I take all that good stuff and we put it in the right delivery system, people will be like, can I have another bowl? Can I have some more? And that's what we're looking for. We don't care how the good stuff gets in you. We just care that it does. And using the SOS method, soups and stews and omelets, like this is a chili. And the cool thing about this too is you can make a massive pot in the crock pot of chili if that's your thing. You know, if you're tight on money right now, you use less meat. You can use more beans and more veggies and make it the way you want to make it. But now we can use this at any time, and we can get good food in our body by just having this available in our home. The last thing we talk about as we come over here are these shakes, these smoothies, and these healthy drinks. So I use, green drinks, stay here. I use a green drink every now and then. It's got calories in it and it's got sugar in it. So you have to be careful if that's something you need to be careful with. But I'll use this. I'll put some water in it. I might add some of my kind of healthy supplements or whatever to it. This is just a multiple mix of different milks, almond milk, oat milk, regular milk. I'll put some banana in there, a little healthy peanut butter in there. A little bit of my protein goes in there. I'll blend it up really quick. That becomes for me this kind of a shaker, this smoothie. We put frozen fruits. We make different kinds of recipes. So just sticking to that SOS plan, thinking about this week, how could we get some soups? How could we make some stews? How could we make some chili? During the day, can we make some omelets or some eggs and get some veggies mixed into those? How throughout the week can I get some of those healthy shakes and smoothies and healthier drinks in our body? And as we keep adding those up, as we keep putting those in our body, our health keeps getting better and better.